Good morning, friends, and happy Thursday. I'm a little off on my days right now, just a tad bit off. But today is Thursday. Tomorrow, I will be with London all day at the Pinners Conference downtown Atlanta. I'm so excited about this. I have been noticing this for the past, I want to say 2-3 years maybe, that they keep hosting a Pinners Conference here in Atlanta, and I keep missing it. And this year, I was not gonna miss it. So when I set up the email announcement for to remind me that it's coming, that was back in what, January, February-ish. I immediately jumped on that that website and got my ticket. So I was very, very excited about it. So it's finally here. April 27th is tomorrow. And I'm super, super excited to go and attend and see all of the fun things that pinners are doing these days. It's a Pinterest conference. How exciting is that? And who doesn't love Pinterest? So I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow, but today I have to do a few things around here, make up the bed, do some laundry, clean up the back bedroom, where my glam room, because that's kind of where I dumped all of our suitcases and stuff from yesterday, our luggage and stuff. So nothing a lot to clean up, just the bags, and I'm gonna take those, empty those out and put those away, because as of right now, I don't think we have anything planned until my Disney trip in 32 days. 32 days, I can't wait. And then, so I'm hoping I don't have to go anywhere. And if I do, I'm not going. Brian can just go, unless it's to the beach. But then, yeah. But yes, and then so today I'm gonna go tanning, laundry, bed, just kind of straightening up and keep getting stuff done around here. But it's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. It's supposed to be crappy today. It's supposed to start raining very soon. Some of them could be quite severe. So I wanna go ahead and get my outdoor stuff done that I need to get done, and then get back home here before all of the rain and stuff sets in. So I'm gonna make up a bed and get some stuff done here. It's about 8:30, so I know that I have about an hour and a half before tanning opens. So gotta get my stuff done because tomorrow's the Pinners Conference. I'm so excited. I went tanning, I came home, took a shower, did my hair, makeup, all that good stuff, and I filmed 2 videos, so you guys can be looking forward to those coming up very, very soon. But when Brian's parents and I went to the antique store the other day, I completely forgot to show you guys what I actually got. I kind of showed you guys as I was walking through the antique store, but I didn't show you guys what I did with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. Alrighty, I haven't even cleaned this mirror, bright light. I haven't even cleaned this window yet. And I haven't even taken the sticker off, but I just hung it up because this is where I want to hang it. But this is the window that I got the other day while we were at the antique store. This was a $5 window, and you guys can see it's actually very large. And all I'm going to basically do with it is get a wreath and hang it there. So that's where this window is going to go. This is where it's going to stay. I actually have to clean it, obviously, and then take off the sticker as well. So I will be doing that here probably this weekend. I'll do it this weekend. All right, and then the other thing that I got was this rolling pin. I have been wanting to try to get a bunch of rolling pins because I want to fill this jar up with rolling pins, but rolling pins are quite expensive. This one itself was like $9. No, I take it back. It was $5. I had one for $9, and then Brian found one for $5. So we got the one for $5. Absolutely love it, but I really want to fill this up with rolling pins, but they are stupid expensive. And then the other rolling pin I got was this little teeny tiny one. It was so cute. I still have the sticker on it. It was $4. It isn't this the cutest little rolling pin? I just kind of have it sitting up here on my little scale because it just looks super cute there. And that was it. That's all I got at the antique store. I don't know if I showed you guys this the other day, I can't remember, but I did make a another bead for this little tray here. It's a house bead. I made this the other day while Brian's parents were gone doing something, and I just quickly made this, but I put the little gray tassels at the end of it. It's just cute. I just love it, and I love the way that it just kind of, you know, sits here on my little island. This turned out really nicely too, which I like. And I think that's it. I can't remember like anything else that I wanted to share with you guys. I think that was about it, honestly. Yeah, I showed you guys my new pillows, right? The pillows that I got, that I put in the chairs here. I did show you guys these, right? I can't remember, sometimes my brain has been scattered because of Brian's family being here and stuff. Oh, let's go outside and check out some of my yard stuff that she did before it starts pouring down rain. So I can go out there and show you guys some of that stuff, because I know she did a couple of things like I didn't even know about. I told Brian, I'm like, oh, I didn't even notice that. So let's go out here and see. So she did put flowers inside of this little flower container thing here. She put flowers there, which looks really nice. And then of course we had the baskets, which you guys saw. You saw the baskets. And then she hung this basket up here as well, which is super nice. So pretty. So that looks really, really pretty and welcoming. I love that. She trimmed that thing down a little bit. She put flowers inside of that thing way over there. And then, let's see, I think she planted that right there. She planted these black-eyed Susans and took up a lot of my other ones. So she planted those. This one's gonna come up soon. She planted these in the front windows here, which those look like they're growing really nicely as well. And she did it on both sides, which is so pretty. And then this thing just keeps coming back every year. We bought this a couple of years ago, and it just keeps coming back every year, and it just looks so nice and so pretty. I love all the purple. And then over here at the carport, this is what she did. We got this pot, and she filled the pot up with some flowers here. And then she got a hanging basket for right here, which we have 2 more of these hanging baskets in the garage. And we've got to transplant the ones from the front baskets to those baskets. So that is what we have to do this weekend. And this weekend is supposed to be super nice. So I'm excited to be able to work. Well, I don't really work in the yard, but I'm excited to help Brian work in the yard and supervise. And then of course I showed you guys the mailbox down here as well, but it looks like we have some more clematis that bloomed, and this thing looks really pretty through here as well. Love that. Yeah, so we had more flowers blooming, and then we put this here so it could vine up really nicely, because clematis likes to vine. And then of course this up here, because it's just pretty and it's nice and full. And so once those grow, it'll look really pretty. All right, so anyway, we're supposed to get some storms here very, very soon. And it's kind of like, it's the calm before the storm. The birds are chirping, everybody's happy, but it's like the calm before the storm. Oh my goodness. But that's it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed hanging out with me a little bit today, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I will be at the Pinners Conference tomorrow with London, so I'm very, very excited to share all of that with you guys. This is gonna be my first Pinners Conference, and I don't know what to expect. But I'm expecting it to be fun and exciting and cool and learning different crafts and everything. So thank you guys for watching.